One of the many questions that gets asked repeatedly on the subject of COVID-19 is about testing. Who's doing it? Why is there a lack of it in some places? Where can I get one? Well, thankfully, you don't have to go that far because one company here is amongst the leaders in testing, not only in the area, but the entire country.
This is where the tests get performed. They go from the collection specimen into our plates that are going to process the sample and allow us to give the patients their result.
What started as a molecular laboratory back in 2013 in Henrico County, specializing in genetic testing to identify drugs that your body can break down and metabolize, has now turned into a full-service, innovative diagnostic testing lab for COVID-19 since the pandemic began. Bill Miller is the CEO of GENETWORx.
As soon as the CDC announced that the probes that they wanted us to use, we developed the test. We were able to implement our systems almost immediately to produce the test for COVID-19. I'll bring you this way real quick.
Miller gave us a behind-the-scenes look at what is now a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week operation.
So this is the second part of the operations. This is where we'll get the specimens, and then we extract them. So we open up the cell so we can detect the RNA.
Miller says his staff can handle up to 50,000 tests per day with an accuracy rate at 99%. Their clients, who mail in nose swab samples from all over the country, receive their results within 48 hours.
This is something that every medical individual strive for, being able to make a difference, and not only be able to make a difference, but be able to make sure that folks that are anxious get the results, and the quicker we can do it, the better that is.
GENETWORx has a staff of about 400, which they're looking to double in size so they can double their testing. Miller says that the lab is so busy working around the clock, they've had to move half of their employees to a 20,000 square foot facility. So as coronavirus cases continue to rise, Miller says his lab will continue to provide a valuable contribution towards the fight against COVID-19.
We think the demand for testing is only going to get bigger, and our goal is ultimately to be able to continue our turnaround time, be able to deliver those results within 48 hours, to get people back to work, get students back to college, and get back to normal.
And as I mentioned, GENETWORx is hiring, and some of the positions that are available include lab technicians, data entry associates, and technical assistants. And if you are interested, all you have to do is just go to their website, genetworx.com. And